Hello, good morning, grade 3. How are you all? Wish you a very good morning to all of you. Hope so that you all are fine at home. And today, my dear class, grade 3, we are going to start our next unit. First of all, we will do the reading of this unit. The half unit we will do for reading, and next my class I will tell you the next step that what to do. So first of all, open your books. Okay, my class, this is page number 116 and unit number 10, the big ice storm. Okay, this is an ice storm. And first of all, I have a question in my mind that I want to ask you that have you caught in any bad weather that when you are going to somewhere and you caught in a bad weather, and how you feel on that time when there is a storm and all the things are burnt out and all the things are going wrong? So how you will feel at that time and how your family help you? So today my class, we will read about in this story how the big storm happened in this story and how the characters in this story feel and how they help each other. So start our reading. This reading is about in March 1998. So that is the time when this big storm happened on 1st March 1998. I was reading a scary story that Wednesday night. Okay, my class, as this story is starting, we come to know that this story, a little boy is telling us his story, that what happened with him on Wednesday night, and what he was doing on Wednesday night. He was reading a scary book. Scary mean a very terrifying, horrible story he was reading. Suddenly, so at once the lights went out. So the lights power off and the room was dark, and outside it was pitch black. As you know that beta, when it's winter and when the light gone, all the things around us, they look that all side the darkness is falling. So I thought that my brother was up to his mischievous tricks again. Okay, when the boy is thinking, when the lights power off, he thought that his little brother power off the switch because he was very mischievous, he was very naughty boy. And but he said that it was not him. But when the boy confirmed that you turn off the light, and he said no, it's not me, I didn't turn off the light. Just when dad got the torches out to make it a little brighter, there was a terrifying noise. Okay, their dad came and he take torch and he brightened the room, but there were terrifying, horrible noises were coming. My brother and I ran to the window and looked at the big tree in our garden. It was our favorite tree. Okay, as we know that in their garden there was a tree, and that tree was their favorite. And next beta we read, and we used to love playing games under it. As you know that most of the students like to play under a tree, and same they both also like. Look at the picture, that is their home, and all around there is ice. And look at the condition of the boys. But when we looked out the window, we saw the tree trunk screeching and splitting into two. Oh my God, the tree is going to cut down and the tree is going to down to the floor. Dad has built a small swing on the branches of the tree. I watch its ropes snapping. The wild howls of the wind grew louder, and a whole half of the tree came crashing down with a loud bang. I was really scared and sad. With this crash, the good memories of swinging and playing around the tree came down to Mom understood this and told me that Dad would find another tree and make a new swing later. Okay, my class, on this page we read so many things. First of all, that when this story happened in 1998, who is telling the story? A little boy who is reading the scary story on Wednesday night. And what he thought when the lights gone off, he thought that his brother done this, but he came to know that he has not done. After their dad came with torch and they bright the room, but they both were very frightened that what is happening around us. So they looked around, looked into the window, and then they came to know that their favorite tree is going down to the floor. All the branches are broken, and they were feeling very sad. They were memorizing their childhood days, that how their father arranged a swing on that tree and how this tree is coming down to the floor. But what their mother said, their mother understood their feelings, and she told them that don't worry about it, we will arrange another tree for you, and next you will be happy with this tree again. So today, my class, you have to do reading. Unit number 10, The Big Ice Storm, page number 116. After my class, I have planned to write dictation words on board. As I write, you also mention date, day, CW, topic is the big ice storm, and dictation words I am repeating. Please repeat with your teacher. Scary, suddenly, pitch, mischievous, tricks, torches, brighter, terrifying, screeching, splitting, built, swing, snapping, howls, bang. So these are the 15 dictation words. My dear class, you have to write on your notebook with proper date and day, CW and topic, and writing should be neat and clean. There should be proper finger gap. After I am telling you your diary is reading page number 116 plus dictation words on notebook. Have a nice day, grade 3. Allah Hafiz.